Welcome back to SHIPVERSE, the place where ocean lovers, cruise addicts, and smart travelers come to unlock the real secrets of the sea. Today we are diving deep into a topic cruise lines would absolutely prefer you never talk about. These are the hidden rip-offs built into modern cruising that quietly drain your wallet while you are busy soaking up the sun, exploring new ports, and enjoying the open ocean breeze. The truth is, cruising is an incredible experience, but it also comes wrapped in layers of upsells, optional extras, and convenience traps designed to look harmless while actually costing you far more than necessary. In this video, we break down 13 cruise rip-offs you must avoid on your next voyage so you can save hundreds while still enjoying every moment on board. First, let's talk about the design of the modern cruise ship and why so many of these rip-offs exist in the first place. Today's ships are essentially floating resorts engineered with a mix of beautiful public spaces, state-of-the-art entertainment zones, themed restaurants, and mind-blowing attractions. But behind that elegance is a carefully crafted onboard economy. Cruise companies spend millions designing layouts that guide passengers toward spending opportunities. Much like theme parks or airports, bars are placed near high-traffic areas, retail shops line the promenades, and specialty dining venues are positioned where guests naturally walk by. The idea is simple: the more visually inviting these places are, the more money you will feel comfortable spending. Ships blend architectural beauty with commercial strategy, an understanding that helps you spot where the spending traps are hidden. Inside the ship, the interior features are a masterpiece of immersive design. Lighting, colors, music, and space arrangement all play a psychological role in encouraging guests to indulge. Bars are warm and intimate to invite long stays. Specialty restaurants mimic high-end city dining to justify premium charges. Spas use calming scents and low lighting to encourage relaxation purchases. Even the cabins are designed with minimal space, subtly nudging passengers to spend more time in public revenue-generating areas. None of this is sinister, it is simply business. But once you understand the techniques, you can enjoy the ship on your own terms without falling into costly traps. Now let's dive into performance aspects of modern cruise ships and why certain services are marketed the way they are. Today's ships are engineering marvels with advanced stabilizers, precision navigation computers, and efficient propulsion systems that reduce fuel use and environmental impact. These technologies make cruises smoother, safer, and more comfortable than ever before, but running these massive operations is extremely expensive. Fuel, crew salaries, food logistics, port fees, onboard maintenance, and entertainment all cost millions per voyage. This is why cruise lines keep base fares low and rely heavily on onboard spending to stay profitable. They are not trying to trick guests, they are simply shifting their profit model. Once you understand that revenue structure, you can navigate the ship like a pro, enjoying everything without overspending. What truly sets each ship apart are its unique selling points, the headline attractions used to convince travelers to choose one cruise line over another. These can include water parks, virtual reality arcades, surf simulators, ice skating rinks, indoor skydiving, luxury thermal spas, and adults-only retreats. While these are exciting features that make cruising feel magical, most come with additional charges once you are on board. The good news is, many incredible free activities are also available on every ship, but they are usually not advertised as heavily because they do not generate revenue. When planning your trip, keep these distinctions in mind so you can prioritize free fun while avoiding unnecessary charges disguised as must-have experiences. Let's shift into the heart of this video, the cruise rip-offs themselves and how they are tied to ship design, marketing strategy, and passenger psychology. One of the most common rip-offs is the onboard drink package. While it feels convenient and all-inclusive, most travelers never consume enough drinks to justify the extremely high price. Cruise lines price drink packages based on heavy drinkers, not average ones. The secret is simple: check the price per drink and compare it to your usual consumption. Often pay-as-you-go ends up far cheaper. Another money trap is the specialty dining experience. Cruise lines promote these restaurants as premium must-try venues, but the main dining room and buffet offer excellent food at no additional cost. Specialty restaurants are designed with upscale decor and lighting to appear superior, but many guests are surprised to find the complimentary dining options are equally satisfying. Reserve specialty dining for special occasions rather than nightly indulgence. Photo packages are another area where passengers unknowingly overspend. Ships employ professional photographers who appear everywhere, from gangway boarding areas to dining rooms and entertainment venues. Their job is to capture great moments and tempt you with beautifully edited prints that cost far more than comparable photos you could take yourself. The smart approach is choosing only your favorite single photo or asking a crew member to take a picture with your own camera. Spa treatments are luxurious, but notoriously overpriced. Many passengers assume the spa is part of the cruise experience, but the spa is one of the ship's top revenue generators. Treatments can cost double or triple typical land prices. The spa environment is intentionally calming and high-end, increasing your likelihood of accepting expensive add-ons. Instead, explore free relaxation spaces on deck or wait for port days when discounted packages appear. Shore excursions booked directly through the cruise line are another major ripoff. Cruise companies charge a premium for tours you can often book independently for half the cost. Local tour operators provide almost identical experiences and usually allow smaller group sizes. The only reason cruise excursions are priced high is the guarantee that the ship will wait if this excursion is delayed. But this rarely becomes an issue with reliable local providers. Laundry services on board are another hidden expense that quickly piles up. Cruise ships often charge per item, making laundry extremely expensive for multi-week voyages. Bringing travel detergent, using self-service laundromats, or washing small items in your cabin sink can save a surprising amount of money. Wi-Fi packages are also notoriously overpriced. Internet at sea relies on satellite technology, which is costly and limited. Cruise lines make a huge profit selling slow Wi-Fi at premium rates. A better option is buying the lowest tier package only when needed or waiting until you dock at ports where fast, cheap internet is easily available. Buying souvenirs on board is another budget trap. Ship shops are designed with attractive lighting and displays to make merchandise look exclusive, but almost everything sold on board can be purchased on land for less. Save souvenir shopping for port cities where prices are more reasonable and options more diverse. Casino spending is an obvious trap, but many passengers underestimate how easily they can overspend at sea. Cruise casinos are smaller and designed to keep guests playing longer through bright visuals, lively soundtracks, and strategically placed bars. If you enjoy gambling, set a strict budget before you play and stick to it. Another overlooked rip-off is the art auction. These events make bold claims about investment value and exclusivity, but most of the art pieces are mass-produced with inflated onboard prices. While enjoyable to attend, it is best to think of them as entertainment rather than actual investment opportunities. Lastly, avoid paying for bottled water on board. Cruise lines charge inflated prices for water even though the ship's tap water is heavily filtered and perfectly safe. Bringing your own refillable bottle saves money instantly and allows you to stay hydrated anywhere on the ship. These rip-offs exist because cruise lines want to maximize revenue, but they do not diminish the magic of cruising. When you understand how ships are designed, how services are marketed, and how onboard economics work, you can enjoy every feature without falling into unnecessary spending traps. The luxury of cruising is not in what you buy, but in what you experience. The sunsets, the ocean air, the incredible entertainment, the new destinations, these are priceless and already included in your fare. So the next time you step onto a ship, navigate it like a seasoned cruiser. Enjoy the design, appreciate the engineering, absorb the atmosphere, and take advantage of the incredible included experiences. Spend where it truly enhances your journey and skip what is merely a cleverly packaged upsell. By avoiding these 13 rip-offs, you can save hundreds while still enjoying your dream voyage. And that is it for today's deep dive here on SHIPVERSE. If you enjoy smart cruising tips, ship reviews, and insider strategies that make your voyages smoother, cheaper, and more memorable, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more. The ocean has endless secrets, and we are here to uncover them together. Safe sailing, friends, and see you in the next video.